Hey guys, today we will explore something that can transform the way you interact with AIW. 10 unique tips for using ChatGPT effectively. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get the most out of ChatGPT, these tips will help you level up. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is always be clear and specific with your prompts. This helps ChatGPT deliver the most relevant and focused responses. Second tip is ask ChatGPT for a step-by-step explanation, as you can compare both responses provided by ChatGPT. It is like having a tutor breaking down a topic in simple terms. Third tip is use ChatGPT for role-playing scenarios. As you can see the prompt written in the questions provided by ChatGPT. It's a great way to practice and sharpen your skills. Fourth tip is use ChatGPT to summarize large texts. It is perfect for getting the key points quickly without losing important details. Tip number 5 is ask for comparison. It is perfect for making decisions or writing reports and analysis. Tip number 6 is refine your responses with follow-up questions. Say you get an answer about leadership strategies. Ask ChatGPT to dive deeper. The more you elaborate, the better will be the output. Seventh tip is request different writing styles. Don't be afraid to ask for different writing styles. If you need something written more casually or persuasive. Tip number 8 is use ChatGPT as your personal brainstorming assistant. If you are stuck for ideas, try asking it. The creative suggestions will be surprising. Tip 9 is explanations at different levels. ChatGPT can explain complex topics at different levels, as you can see the example. Finally, tip number 10 is need a specific tool or template. Just ask ChatGPT. It will offer structured formats to simplify your tasks.